I will show you how this hair coach made over $14,000 with a free workshop. And if you are a creator, a coach, or a marketer trying to make money from Instagram, you want to see this strategy because we didn't use any landing pages. So in this video, I will show you how the workshop funnel works, what the conversion numbers are, and who my client is and why this funnel works so well. And I'm not going to hold anything back. So by the end of this video, you will know how to host a free workshop and monetize it on Instagram. So first, let me show you how the funnel works, and then I will explain how you can apply it to your own business. So first, Julia promoted her free workshop in her Instagram posts and in her Instagram stories. And she basically asked people to comment Pro25 or DM her Pro25. Whenever they did that, they get an automatic DM from her confirming the interest in the free workshop. And if they were interested, we asked for their name and we asked for their email. And once we got that information, they were signed up for the free workshop. But here it becomes interesting because we now offered them a VIP upgrade, and this is a paid add-on to the free workshop. So if you buy the VIP add-on, this meant you get a VIP experience, and this means that you get access to bonus guides, a product guide, a styling guide, more lectures, and even an online community. And this was all part of the VIP experience, and it only cost 27 euros. So they could respond to this with either yes, I want more info, or no. If they replied with yes, we directly sent them to a checkout page where they can buy the VIP add-on. If they said they wanted more info, we also sent them to the checkout page because on the checkout page, they could already find more info about the VIP experience, or they could have said no. And if they say no, then we just thank them and give them the next steps for when the workshop is and what they need to do in order to show up. So that's how the entire funnel works, and we created it using ManyChat. So if you want to see a full breakdown of how I created this in ManyChat and actually want to see the back end of Julia's ManyChat account, I share this in my paid school community. So if you want to have a look at that, you can sign up with the link in the description. Now, let me give you the numbers. So in total, 4,075 conversations were started. From those, 1,888 people signed up for the workshop and 469 of them upgraded to the VIP experience. And that is a 25% conversion rate on the upsell, which is really high. And this resulted in Julia making over 12,000 euros with this free workshop, which is more than $14,000. And what I didn't tell you before is that we also run paid ads for this funnel. And paid ads worked pretty similar to how we did it organically. We basically asked people to comment or DM us a specific word, and whenever they did that, basically the same funnel would start. But we also kept track of how many people came through the ads and how many people came organically. So here are the numbers on that. In total, 2,023 people came from the ads, 501 of them signed up for the workshop, and 60 bought the VIP upgrade. And 2,052 people came organically, 1,387 of them signed up for the workshop, and 409 bought the VIP upgrade. So as you can see, we got way better conversion results organically than via paid ads. And that also makes sense because people that see you organically, they often already saw multiple posts of you, more trust has been built, and they are more inclined to buy from you. And with paid ads, it could be that they don't know you, not enough trust has been built, and they are not ready to buy the VIP experience yet. So that makes sense. I just wanted to explain that we use both organic ways and paid ways to drive traffic to this funnel. So who is the client? The client is Julia Fraticelli, and she is a hair and makeup coach. And she is specialized in doing this for brides. So she helps people become really good at doing hair and makeup for brides. And what she does is that during the entire year, she just gives away a lot of free value. So she does that on Instagram, but she also does that on her website. And then once a year, she hosts a free 5-day workshop where she helps other people for free to become better at hairstyling for brides. And then during that workshop, she also offers the VIP upgrade. So during the entire year, she gives away a lot of free value. That builds trust. They see her as the expert. And then she even gives away more free value by offering the free 5-day workshop. And then when she offers a paid thing, then people are just way more inclined to buy from her. And I think that makes it work so well for her. She just shares a lot of free value across the entire year. That builds trust with her audience. They see her as the expert. And when you then ask for the sale, way more people are inclined to buy. And what's also good to know is that you don't have to actively sell during the entire year. Like, you could be selling just once a year, make enough money, and then you don't have to sell for the rest of the year. So that's also a pretty interesting take. But this brings us to the last part of this video. How can you apply this to your own business? And I basically have a couple of things. So the first thing is that you need to give away a lot of value for free. And that's especially what you can learn from Julia and why this works so well. She just gives away a lot of value for free. And you should do this either. Like, you give away a lot of free value, give away free content, give away free lead magnets, give away free posts. And that builds your audience, but that also builds trust with your audience, and they see you as the expert. So then the moment when you ask for the sale, people are way more inclined to buy. And then when you ask for the sale, it's also to do it in a way with a free workshop or a free challenge. So the benefit of a free workshop is that you can advertise it as free, but you can still make money on the back end by offering something like a VIP add-on or a VIP experience. And also more people will buy from you, because if you would directly sell a 27 euro offer, way less people will buy because they're like, I'm not going to buy anything. But if you're going to give something for free and then offer something as a VIP add-on, that actually builds reciprocity. And reciprocity is an influence principle. And it basically means that if you give away something for free to someone, they are way more inclined to give something back. And in this case, Julia gives away a free 5-day workshop, which is totally free, and then people are way more likely to give something back, which is their money for the VIP experience. So the two big reasons why this works is that you can offer something for free and then can still make money on the back end, and you're using the principle of reciprocity, which means that more people will actually buy from you. And then the last thing, like, the product is just 27 euros. Like, it's very cheap. And what I see with these low ticket products is that way more people will impulse buy it. Like, they already trust you. It's very cheap. It's very affordable. They're probably like, it's only 27 euros. Like, if it doesn't work out, it's not a lot of money. So there's not a lot of risk to it. And think about it. If a creator gives you free content and free value for an entire year and then asks you to buy something and it's just 27 euros, like, would you do it? You probably would. So the main takeaways of this funnel are: give away a lot of value for free, do a free workshop or a free challenge. It allows you to advertise free and still make money on the back end. And when you ask for the sale, make it very cheap, make it low ticket, something like $20, $30, because way more people will actually buy it from you. And that's it. That's how she made over $14,000 in sales with a free workshop. And if you want to see how I built this funnel in her ManyChat account, you can sign up for my paid school community. And here I share all of my case studies, but I also show you the back end, so how I created it and why this funnel works so well. So if you're interested in that, you can just go to the link in the description and sign up. And if you just want to get started with Instagram DM automation and want to turn your existing audience into leads, please check out this video.